Hi guys, welcome again to my page, and for today we'll be doing a how-to video on how to make Christmas cards. And I know it's just October, but if you're trying to plan early, this how-to video is for you. So to begin with, let's have a clean slate. Click on elements. I already typed in there Christmas, so you could do that too. And then from here you'll see some Christmas elements that you could choose from. I choose that wreath earlier, but you could also choose like this Christmas tree, or this cute Santa Claus in here. There are loads of elements to choose from. I was playing with this design earlier. Let's just drag that. There you go. I was playing with this design earlier, but I still don't know what to do with it. So let's just scrap that and let's go back to that wreath and then enlarge it. So put it up a bit so it's in the center, and then let's put this bell in there. I put it in a bit of side, not exactly center, but let's put it in the center and at the bottom. See how it looks like. Not exactly a fan, so let's just put it back there. Now put it at the center. Then from here on, click text and then add a heading. Let's type in there Merry Christmas. I just can't see if I'm typing the right word, right spelling. Highlight those ones. Now let's change the font. So in that space you could type in calligraphy or handwriting, whatever kind of font you would like. And you can see here there are loads of really nice handwriting font. The crown one is the paid one. So if you're using a free Canva, there are still loads of nice handwriting font that you could choose from. Let's choose this one, Twister. Let's increase the size of this font. Let's put it on 90. There you go. Put it in the middle. And then highlight it again to change the color. Let's try something Christmassy, like red. There you go. And then because there's a huge gap between the word Merry and Christmas, let's click on that thing and then adjust the line spacing. You could also adjust the letter spacing like that. We'll see. I'm just not a big fan, so let's go back again and put it back. There you go. A lot better. And now you got a Christmas card that you could print on a card paper.